If you've ever felt frustrated by the subjective nature of evaluating partnership growth, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to replace intuition with a data-driven method that brings scientific precision to your partnership's strategy. Let's start by understanding why this problem is so pervasive in our industry. In partnerships, professionals often lack a consistent framework for assessing growth potential. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. They rely on spreadsheets that are time-consuming to build and difficult to maintain, or they depend on personal judgments that vary from team to team. This leads to inconsistent prioritization, missed opportunities, and wasted resources. Generic business intelligence tools don't address the unique dynamics of partnerships, leaving a gap that needs a specialized solution. Now, let's dive into the technical method behind PredictGrowth. This software is built on quantitative models that analyze multiple data points to forecast growth trajectories. We focus on key concepts like historical performance, market segment trends, and company-specific metrics. It's important to differentiate this from simple trend analysis. PredictGrowth uses advanced algorithms to model complex interactions and provide dynamic projections, not just static scores. This approach moves beyond common misconceptions where growth is seen as a linear path, instead capturing the nuances that matter in partnerships. So what does PredictGrowth specifically do? It ingests data from various sources, including CRM systems, market reports, and internal databases. First, it establishes baselines for comparison across companies and segments. Then, it calculates growth predictions using standardized models that ensure consistency. Every step is transparent, with a full audit trail for compliance and verification. Additionally, you can run scenario models to explore how different factors like market changes or resource allocations might impact growth. This flexibility allows for strategic planning under various conditions. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Suppose you're evaluating a potential partner in the fintech sector. You input variables such as their current revenue growth, customer retention rates, and competitive landscape. PredictGrowth processes this data against similar companies and projects a growth trajectory. For instance, it might indicate a compound annual growth rate of 18% over the next 2 years, with confidence intervals based on market volatility. This gives you a measurable, objective insight to inform your decision. When it comes to compliance and reporting, PredictGrowth generates comprehensive reports automatically. These reports are designed for stakeholder readability, with clear visuals and summaries that highlight key findings. They align with regulatory standards, ensuring that your data handling is secure and compliant. This makes it easy to share insights across teams and justify decisions with empirical evidence. In summary, PredictGrowth offers a standardized, efficient way to forecast partnership growth, saving you time and reducing errors. It empowers you to make data-driven decisions that enhance your strategy.